This is Dyno. He's going to help me with my ECU, setting it up, tuning it, and then teach me how to use it so I can make changes in the future. Sorting some things out. Still got to set up launch control, map switching. Then we go to the dyno. Grandpa Mac in there. You don't know. For all you guys hating on the M42. Guys, guess who's back? Car I first met Dyno in. We've got some cars out here today. Alright, so here Dyno's working on the two-step setup. He's just double checking everything, making sure everything's working correctly, and also trying to get a little crack on decel when you let off throttle. Just to make sure everything's good for the dyno. Dyno says it's good, so just gonna do a couple more pulls and see how it feels. Setting up launch control. Okay, here was a little small test just to make sure everything was working correctly. We set a two-step limit at 2,000 RPMs just in case, so we wouldn't damage anything. Yeah.
Give it a bit more throttle.
All right. Okay. Damn.
That's a bit too much boost. Do it again. Turn that down a little bit. 3.5 pounds.
Yeah.
Just hit the button, then go full throttle, and then
launch
once you've got it boost, then just let go of the button.
Okay.
Just try that at 3.5.
Should I go more on the throttle?
Yeah, just go full throttle. So the throttle pops and bangs, but it might.
Alright guys, so how's launch control? How to make a grown man smile. Thank you again, Dyno. We got launch control and everything set up. Car feels great. Finally got to paint my neighborhood streets with a few lines. Came out pretty well. There you have it.